Hi, my name is IJ. I'm a licensed financial professional and also an insurance broker. Precisely, I deal mostly with life insurance. So, a lot of people have asked me on what is an index universal life. So, I decided I was going to talk about an index universal life today. So, an index universal life insurance, also known as an IUL, is a type of permanent life insurance that combines two things. A life insurance protection, that is, it provides a death benefit that pays out to the beneficiaries when the owner of the policy passes away. And the second one is what? It provides a cash value growth, meaning the savings component that grows over time. Let me paraphrase. It provides a cash value growth. That is a savings component that grows over time based partly on the performance of a stock market index like the S&P 500, but with important protections. So how does this work? So an IUL provides a flexible premium, meaning you can adjust how much you pay in each month within limits. So part of the payment goes towards insurance costs and the rest goes into your cash value account. Also, it has an index growth. Instead of you earning a fixed interest rate, your cash value can grow based on how the market index performs. You don't actually invest directly in the stock market. It just tracks the index. Importantly, it protects you from losses, meaning if the market goes down, your account won't lose due to the index performance. So fees and insurance costs still apply, so we need to know that. That's because IULs usually come with a 0% floor. It has a growth cap. So if the market does really well, you won't get all the gains. Insurance usually sets a cap, usually between 10% to 14%. Right? So this trade-off protects you on the downside. That's when market plunges, you don't lose anything. Not to mention that it has a lot of tax advantages because your cash value grows tax-deferred and you can access it through loans or withdrawals, often tax-free if structured properly. And IUL has a living benefit. So many IULs include riders that let you access your death benefits early if you get seriously ill, disabled, or need a long-term care, especially like a terminal illness, a critical illness like a diagnosis of a heart attack, stroke, paralysis, or if you can't perform just 2 out of the 6 activities of daily living, right? So that's basically what an IUL is. So an IUL, in short, in summary, right? IUL is insurance plus investments like savings future that gives you protection, flexibility, and potential tax advantage growth without the full risk of stock markets. So that's exactly what an IUL is. So an IUL is a type of life insurance. There are 4 types of life insurance. We're going to talk about it next time. There is the group life, which is usually at the job. There is the term life, which is what so many people in America have that covers you just for a period of time. And then there's the whole life, and then we have the universal life. So if you want to know more, you can reach out to me, you can DM me, and I can give you more information about this, and we can talk about this. But the most important thing about an IUL is that you need to qualify for it. It's not given to everybody. You need to be healthy to get this. Right? It's not for everybody. However, this is a financial tool that every family needs to have in their financial portfolio, especially if you have kids and you intend to have your kids go to college. You can literally take money out from your IUL to send your kids to college. You can literally take money out from your IUL to plan a tax-free retirement without it affecting your social security. So there's so many things about an IUL that the average middle-class Americans do not even know. So reach out to me or you can DM me and I can explain more. Okay, thank you, bye-bye.